Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa. I am Vanessa, but you can call me Nessa. We are continuing our AliExpress stamping nail art haul today, and today we will be opening these three packages. Two of them are from Picu Nail Art Store. The first one I ordered May 18th. It didn't arrive till August 26th. Because of the coronavirus, there were a lot of packages that took forever to arrive, and so meanwhile I did get a refund for this package. So it originally cost me $6.17 for the two plates, but they were refunded just because of the amount of time they took. Alright, so our first plate, so PYJ011. I just thought this was a really cute plate with quite a few sort of different images, so geometric shapes, but also you got like the wolf howling at the moon, so like an earth or a moon, I'm not really sure. The moon there, like a kangaroo, which I haven't seen on any other plates. Yeah. Okay, and then the second one. So this one is a Halloween plate. PYY008, and it does have quite a few little Halloween characters on it, the pumpkins, the graveyard, tree with a spider web, and it does say Halloween, which is cute. Okay, moving on to our second package by Picu Nail Art. This one I ordered back in May, and I forgot to put when I received it. I do remember that this one took a very long time. I was kind of questioning whether I would even receive it or not. But I think they kept extending the package protection time. So I never ended up having to dispute it, because, you know, I'm glad I didn't. There's a lot here. So this one cost me $17.72 Canadian, including shipping. So we have quite a few nail plates and some nail files. This one I did have an emergency and needed a nail file, so I took one out. So it actually came with 5 nail files. They're pretty decent nail files, and it's just random designs on them. This one I have not tried yet. Little buffers. Yeah, this side is pretty fine. This side's a little rougher. Seems like a good little buffer. And I got 5 in that package. And then I got this one sparkly nail file. I can't remember. It was pretty cheap, so I thought I would pick it up. I don't think you use the sparkly side, you just use this side. And I'm not sure what the grit is on this one. Okay, let's move on to our nail plates. So one of these I did actually use, I think. Yes, it must be this one. So this is the one I actually used on my nails. Unfortunately, I didn't get my camera stand soon enough that I could actually show you the tutorial on that, but maybe I can redo it. So this is the one that I use for these. And this one is PYF024. And they did pick up really nicely, as you can see. So this one here is my thumbnail. Yeah. Okay, next. Oh, and just so you know, all of these ones do have the plastic on the back, so they do have the extra support. Okay, this one is PYY021. This one's kind of like an Asian theme. Weeping willows, the fish. Okay, next. These are a little harder to open than I expected. Alright, this one has some layered feathers on it, which was really neat. So PYF003. So paint splotches and then the feathers. So this all layers together. You can see. Okay. Next plate. This one is just like more of like a French manicure plate. Some argyle there. So PY6026. Or did I say 6? Sorry, J026. And you can see how that would work for your French manicure. Okay, next one. Okay, so this plate is PYJ003. This one's really good because it has sort of all those geometric sort of shapes that, and then the swirlies for the corners of your nails. I really like these sort of triangle and line patterns. They're really pretty, sort of tribal. Okay. The packages are harder to open than I expected. Okay, so PYF017. And this one is kind of like the one I have on my nails, but with the dots. So it'll be good for pop art, that kind of thing. Yeah. I sort of really like these sort of optical illusion type ones. I really like. Okay, another Halloween plate. So PYF008. I really like this little mummy. I used to make cupcakes that remind me of this for Halloween. I actually used to manage a bakery. It was called Cupcakes on Denman. Okay. Yeah, so lots of really cute Halloween figures on here, like the witch fit into, I guess all of these items can fit into the frame here, so that's kind of neat. Okay, and last item in this package. Okay, so PYJ012, and this one is another Halloween plate. Love those little skeletons, that's super cute. And the different sort of scenes. Yeah, really love the pumpkins too. So some really fun stuff for Halloween, which is coming up pretty quick here, so we'll be able to do a few tutorials on these. Okay, and moving on to our last package, so the largest package. This one is from Beautiful Fingers store. So for these two items, I paid $27.47. I ordered it August 25th, and it arrived September 14th. So this one came very quickly. So first, let's open this. So this is a storage butt. It's like a storage wallet for all of my plates. This one does have sort of two sections. It's quite large, so it's hard to show in the camera. Okay, so it has the smaller openings here. I guess they would fit some of my smaller round ones that I just got. Yeah. So this entire side has all small envelopes, and they are double-sided, so you can put one on both sides. And they should fit these square ones as well. Oh, it's a tight fit, but they do fit. There we go. Okay, and then on the other side, it has the larger sort of envelopes for the larger plates. Okay, and it does look like it will probably fit the ones with the plastic edging. I do have one here you can try. And yeah, that fits quite nicely. So it does fit quite nicely. I do have some CADS plates that I believe will be too big for these. But as you can see, the Picu ones fit perfectly. So this, I don't remember the exact cost. I think this one was like about $20 and then plus shipping. But it does hold 120 plates apparently. And it is really pretty. The mermaid look is really nice, I think. Okay, and the last item for today. These are our plastic backings for some of the plates that were just bare. They didn't have any plastic backing. So I mentioned this in a few of my other videos. So this package has 15 of these plastic plates. Now I did grab my plate from the last video. So we are going to try and attach this one. So as you can see, it's bare, no plastic backing, which quite often they're quite sharp on the edges. And with this, you can kind of protect it. It gives it more support so it doesn't bend. So let's attach that. A little dirty there. Okay. So I'm just going to peel this off. So it does come with the glue already attached. You just have to peel off the sort of sticker backing. Okay, and then you just line it up in the grooves that they already have set here for you. Just want it to be right. And there we go. So it just sticks right down. And then you have a nice backing on your plate. And it's no longer sharp. I'm not going to cut myself. And there we go. So if you have a few favorite plates that don't have backings and you feel like they're bending and getting wrecked, this is a really good option. So it just gives it extra support. Okay, and that's my video for today. Please tune in for my next video where we will continue our AliExpress stamping nail art haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.